Most men over 50 begin to notice that their energy, circulation, and performance are not what they used to be. The mornings feel slower, focus fades more quickly, and stamina in both daily life and intimacy often takes a hit. Many assume the only way forward is with pills or complicated treatments, but the truth is that nature has long provided powerful, accessible solutions. A simple tea made from roots, fruits, and spices can be enough to bring vitality back. Your body at this age is like a highway system that needs maintenance. The blood vessels are the roads, blood is the traffic, and hormones are the signals that keep everything moving. When circulation slows, when hormones decline, and when inflammation builds up, the entire system struggles. Each ingredient in this performance tea targets a different part of that network, and together they create an effect that men have relied on for centuries to stay strong and energetic. Ginger is the first powerhouse in this blend. Known for its warming bite, ginger has compounds like gingerol that improve blood vessel relaxation, reduce clotting, and encourage smoother circulation. Studies show it can even boost nitric oxide, the very molecule that helps men maintain better blood flow and stronger erections. A couple slices of ginger root steeped in hot water every day can do far more for performance than most men realize. Ginseng is another key player. In Asia, it has been called the root of life for good reason. Modern research shows ginseng can support testosterone production, enhance sperm quality, and improve libido by influencing both hormones and circulation. It doesn't act like a drug with instant effects, but when used consistently, it can build stamina, restore energy, and help men reclaim vitality that seemed lost to age. Cinnamon, often seen as just a kitchen spice, carries benefits far beyond flavor. It helps regulate blood sugar, which is critical because fluctuating blood sugar stresses the arteries and drains energy. By stabilizing this process, cinnamon indirectly protects circulation, prevents energy crashes, and reduces oxidative stress. Just a small stick steeped in hot water lends not only taste but measurable support to vascular health. Honey is the natural binder of this recipe. It provides quick fuel for the body in the form of natural sugars. But unlike refined sugar, it comes packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. For centuries, honey has also been considered an aphrodisiac, valued not just for sweetness, but for its ability to restore vitality. Used in moderation, a teaspoon of raw honey in your tea offers energy that feels clean and sustaining. Pomegranate juice rounds out the mix. Sometimes called nature's Viagra, pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants that directly improve the lining of blood vessels. Clinical studies have linked daily pomegranate consumption to better erectile function and stronger endurance. Adding a small splash of unsweetened juice to your tea after steeping not only boosts flavor, but delivers those protective polyphenols that guard your circulation and performance. One of the most common questions is whether all these ingredients need to be used at once, or if they can be taken separately. The truth is, you can benefit from them individually. A ginger tea in the morning, a spoon of honey in the afternoon, or ginseng every few days can each improve your health in their own way. Combining them, however, allows their effects to cover more ground at the same time, like different musicians coming together to form a fuller sound. The choice is yours, and you can build gradually based on how your body responds. Mixing pomegranate juice into tea is not only possible, it is already done in many antioxidant recipes that pair it with green tea or herbal blends. The key is to add the juice after the tea has steeped, so you don't overheat it and degrade its compounds. A small splash is enough for taste and effect without diluting the tea or overpowering the flavors. Think of it as an optional enhancement rather than a rule. Preparing the tea is simple. Boil 2 cups of filtered water. Add 2 slices of fresh ginger root and 1 small stick of cinnamon. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Remove it from heat. Add a thin slice of dried ginseng root and steep for another 5 minutes covered. Strain into a cup, stir in a teaspoon of raw honey, and if you like, add a splash of unsweetened pomegranate juice. Sip slowly and allow the warmth and flavor to remind you that you are fueling yourself with centuries of wisdom. The effects won't be instant. This is not a magic potion, but rather a natural tool that works with your body over time. Most men notice changes within a few weeks. Steadier energy, warmer circulation, clearer focus, and renewed performance in intimacy. By making this tea a ritual, especially when combined with movement, good sleep, and balanced nutrition, the results can be profound and lasting. It's important to remember that herbs are powerful. Ginger may thin blood, ginseng may interact with certain medications, cinnamon in high doses can be harmful, and honey adds sugar that must be considered if you have diabetes. This is why men with chronic conditions or prescriptions should check with their doctor before drinking this daily. Start with small amounts, pay attention to your body, and build from there. So here's the challenge. For 30 days, make this tea your morning ritual. Whether you use all 5 ingredients or just 2 to start, commit to consistency. Notice how your energy shifts, how your stamina builds, and how your confidence grows as your body responds. Nature has not forgotten you. And with this simple practice, you can remind your body what strength and vitality feel like. If this message resonated with you, share it with another man who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural ways to restore performance, confidence, and health after 50. Remember, age is inevitable, but decline is optional. Your energy, your circulation, and your masculinity can all be rebuilt, sometimes with nothing more than a single cup of tea.